Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing part 1 of my massive Dollar Tree haul. So in this part, we're going to be talking about more random things. The second part is going to be more skincare, nail care, all of that. And part 3 is going to be a massive makeup haul from Dollar Tree. Today's haul is going to be a lot of random things from Dollar Tree that I've been needing, that I came across that's really cute, that cannot be categorized as makeup or skincare, nail care, all of that. So if you want to see what I got today, it's quite a bit of things. Just keep on watching. Alright, so the first product from today's random haul is from Zeeze, and these are the lens wipes. These are gentle and thorough cleaning, and it was $125 for this little pack. I think I'm gonna end up giving this to my sister because she actually doesn't wear contacts like I do, so all the time she's like trying to clean her glasses. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and give this to her. But it comes with 12 individually wrapped little cloths in here that are meant to clean your lenses, your glasses, or whatever, whether it's like because it's raining or whatever it may be. It says it's streak free, no scratch, fast drying, and a plastic free wipe. So yeah, in case you're on the market for some like lens wipes, they have them at Dollar Tree, and it's a good deal. $125 for 12 wipes. I think it's pretty good. We have the Jot Mailing Reusable Gel Tape. So this is a double-sided tape, and I use these a lot, to be honest. Not really at home, but at work. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this to work with me. But yeah, you can never have enough double-sided tape, girl. So I went ahead and picked up this pack here. So it looks like I'm definitely gonna get some use out of it. Now I hate that they don't give you enough. Like, this is gonna go really fast, maybe in one use, but I still picked it up. We're gonna see how this works. The more like a random thing, now I like to buy like fake plants and stuff, as you guys know, like this one here, little vase with some plants in it. I cannot care for a real plant. They just always die. I'm just not a plant person. But I saw this vase and I thought like I can buy a cute little plant to put in here, and it's pink. So I was like, girl, if I leave it, I'm not gonna be able to find it again. Was $125 at Dollar Tree. It's just so cute for decor. Love. I also went ahead and found these. I don't know why I bought these. I'm just gonna take them to work. But these are the Floral Garden Glitter Tule. So it's just like this material, and it's pink and glittery, and I just thought maybe I'd use it at home. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. You just never know. Maybe for gifts or something. But it's just a pink fabric, and I thought it was cute. It was $125 each little roll. You don't really get a whole lot of product in here, but yeah, I don't know why I bought this, but I did. I need a more tissue boxes, so I bought this one here from Scotties, and it's just a triple soft aloe little like tissue boxes. So yeah, you can never have enough. And I think at the moment they didn't have Barbie one, so I just went ahead and picked up this green one, and it's so cute. Again, giving very much like planty vibes. I also did go ahead and pick up this Biopure antibacterial hand wipes just to have on the go. It comes with 16 in here, and of course it's important. I could just throw it in my purse or my fanny pack, and it was $125. And again, it comes with 16, which I think is a great deal. I'm not gonna open it now, but I thought that was cute because they do sell like the big version that you can just keep at home or in the office or whatever. So I love that they came out with a like travel size. So it says fresh morning breeze scent, paraben free, aloe and vitamin E enriched, and ideal for on the go use. So live for that. I went ahead and picked up the Spa Luxury Hydrating Hand Creams. It comes with 2 in here, the raspberry mimosa and the peach bellini scent. Now honestly, didn't need more hand creams, but I got them anyway. Why? I don't know. They just look really cute, and the scents sounded really intriguing. The packaging is adorable, actually. So if you're on the market, this could be a cute little like stocking stuffer as well, since we are coming around Christmas time. That's adorable. Now I kind of want to smell them, but I don't want to open the little thing. Oh, it's already open. Okay. Okay, I get like a little sniff of the smell, but nothing crazy. It's not too strong. Cute. I kind of like the orange one more. It's adorable though. Again, stocking stuffer vibes, or if you want to give it to a coworker or whatever. These are so cute. I also did pick up another like fan. This is called the Deluxe foldable fan. It was $125, and I just thought this was so cute. And it's pink, and you guys know I love to use this like when I set my face. I just go in with this fan, and I have another one, but I don't really love the design, so I went ahead and picked up the pink version, and I live. It's so cute. As I mentioned, Christmas time is approaching, and I saw this It's so cute. Like, just to put it as decor in my room. I don't think I would wear it, but it is a Barbie hat, and it was $125, and it's a Christmas Santa hat. Look at how cute that is. And they have different designs, so if your son or daughter want to wear it to school, whatever, I think this is so cute. Again, just to decorate, put in the background or something. So I had to grab this as well. These are I mean, they're not the greatest like quality, but I just thought it was so cute. Santa hat's like really long as well. So I bought this makeup bag that says be happy. It's a cute like pink transparent moment, almost like a neon pink vibe. So they had a couple of variations of this little bag at Dollar Tree. Toss this in your purse, or if you're traveling, just throw some essentials in here for your car. It's just really cute. Lastly, we're gonna get into my sock addiction. So we have these from BFNY. And these are the holiday socks for sizes 9 through 13. So they had cute little Santa socks. Again, Christmas time. Look at that. That's so cute. And it actually does stretch. They're adorable. Love. Came across these candy cane socks. These are so cute as well. So again, very much fuzzy sock vibes. I love some good fuzzy socks. And these are Christmas house. One pair, and these fit shoe sizes 5 through 9, and they retail for $125. So cute. Live. And lastly, I came across these, not Christmas vibes, but they are Powerpuff Girl vibes. These are adorable as well, and these are just the Powerpuff Girl socks, sizes 9 through 13, and they were $125. Also another good find. So that was it for the first portion of the massive Dollar Tree haul. We're gonna go ahead and get into skincare, nail care, all of that right now. So obviously stick around, subscribe so you guys can watch. I don't know when that's gonna be going up, but I know they're gonna be consecutive uploads. So definitely, again, stick around. I love Dollar Tree. I do these videos all the time. So again, subscribe, check out my Dollar Tree playlist, which is gonna be down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.